Hi guys, today I will be unboxing and testing this DJI Mic Mini. So I will be connecting this one to this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 camera. So let me show you the specification of features of this one. So very light, so 10 grams only, then high quality audio, then 8 hours recording, 8 hours battery, then so easy connection. So the tech connection for premium sound quality. So direct connection to what is this? 2-level active noise cancelling and automatic limiting to prevent audio clipping. Okay, so just open this now. So it's brand new, still with tape. Right. Okay. So it comes with some papers, documentation. I just don't need that one. So right. So with this pouch, then cable, USB Type-C for charging, and here is the mic. So it's quite small. Then so there's like a for windscreen dead cat. Yep. Then so you have two options here. Okay, so just open this now. So try to connect this one quickly. So it comes with a magnet, so if you put this one inside your shirt, then this one will be attached. Otherwise you can just clip this on. So you have two options. So here's the charging. Where is it? Where do I charge it? The USB. So probably comes with a charging stand. So here you will connect the USB Type-C. Then this one is connected here like that. Okay, so hopefully this is charged so I can try it to connect. So here is my DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Okay, now I will try to connect this mini mic to this DJI Osmo Pocket 3. So first I will record the sound with the internal microphone so you can hear the difference. So right now I'm recording in this DJI Osmo Pocket 3 with the internal microphone. So I hope after turning on this microphone it will have a nice better audio compared to this one. Okay, so first I will try to set this up. I stop this now. Okay, try to connect. So we can see this button, then wireless mic, so TX1. So I only have one microphone, so TX1. Then the picture here shows the old type, different model of the microphone, but this is the small one, Mic Mini. So just press this button on to turn this on. Now it is connecting. Just probably press this one, looking for the connection. Okay, wireless mic is connected. So confirm. So you can see right away, I said the blue connection, then 60%. So probably you are now we can record using this mic. So go close this one. So I'll try to put this one closer to me, then I'll try to record. Right now it is recording, and the sound is being recorded coming from the DJI Mic Mini. So I hope this sound is better compared to the internal microphone of this camera. So okay, that's it. So I will try to charge it a little bit more, because right now it's only 60% charge. By the way, I want to show you quickly if I do the charging. So I connected the USB Type-C at the back, and just put this one. So I turn this off, then make sure these terminals align to this terminal, and then put this in. So you can see it's blinking blue, like a 3 blinks, then pause, 3 blinks and pause, then it's charging. Then probably once it's fully charged, it will turn off or green. Then I'll show you later once it's fully charged. Now it's fully charged. You can see it's steady blue light. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching.